Hello, my Leo Virgo cusp sign. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of April 2026 will be for you, my love. So, guys, if you're new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Viva to Live family. Um, let's try and find out how this month would be, because usually I do it by weeklies, but this time I thought just let's have a generic view for easier, crisper reading. Okay, so let's begin. Angels and spirit guides, how is this month for my cusp babies? You seem to be having good news so far, but let's see what else. See, I told you. What else? What else? You guys are so receptive. Thank you. Means a lot, darlings. Anything else? No. So let's see what is the theme for you. Maturity. Finance flow is coming in. New startups, new ventures are coming up. Okay. Stop overthinking. Could be flower therapy could work for you. So have floral incense sticks. You can use floral perfumes, whichever ones you have a calling for, and a woman will play a very important role for you. If you're my feminine energies, this is your month. But if it is my masculine, a feminine energy will bring in stability in your life. Okay, this is what the overall theme is like. Let's see. We have women in your reading. Okay, we begin with politics. We have abundance. We have flowering. So this is like the king and the queen. We have playfulness, participation, the outsider, and receptivity. If you are thinking of getting into a third party, avoid doing that. Okay. If you have been waiting to welcome a beautiful soul, yes, this is the month you can expect some celebration moments, because we have participation. So this is all about addition in the family, pregnancy, adoption seems to be coming up. Finance, yes, it is coming again, but you need to save. Okay, whenever you feel like an outsider, it could be possibility your inner child has been triggered, so you need to heal your inner child. How? Cross your arms, look at the mirror, and just say you love yourself, you are protected, and you are safe. Everything will start falling into places. Stop being a people's pleaser, increase your water intake. Okay, because we have two women, but we have politics, so there is somebody who may not show their true colors. Darlings, in this month you should not be trusting anybody, no matter how strong bond you have with that person. Out of respect or out of love, you should not be doing that. You should not get into manipulation also, is what universe is trying to say, because that will backfire you. Okay, take it as a warning, but this is what it's trying to say. Stop being a people's pleaser. Stop getting into addictions, manipulations, um, or how do I say, misusing of your power. Avoid all these things. There is somebody who could be like a sweet talker, who could be trying to please you, but could be taking the credit in spite of you putting the hard work. So the truth will be revealed. Now if you want to find out who the person is, keep chanting the word truth in your mind. Okay, and just act normal. If you doubt on a person, the reality will come to you. Okay, and for a lot many, you are escalating, because that's what the finance is trying to say. You have good things coming up, but you just need to be careful about this part. Okay, otherwise you have good news coming up. Now let's come to your angels. Let's see what guidance they wish to give you. Angels and spirit guides. Beautiful. You have wedding bells ringing in. So wedding is all about celebrations. I am hoping it should be for you. because we have participation king and queen. So yeah, there seems to be wedding bells ringing in for you. If not, you could be a part of some celebration, um, and where you are going, probably you will get to know new people, or there could be a place where you might meet the right person. Okay, so yeah, happy news are there is what your angels are saying. Now let's come to your love life. Okay, let's see. Angels and spirit guides, what's coming up for my cusp babies? We have self indulgence, date, engagement ring, coffin, acts, and I like you. So many things are happening for you. So maybe somebody could not be showing the true colors. Maybe that is what the politics is trying to say, that there could be a heartache. Okay, and when it's meant to be a closure, please give a closure. Maybe this person seems to be self obsessed, but again, your love angels are saying that you need to appreciate, go for a date. There is somebody who will confess they like you, and yes, you guys are getting engaged. I mean, how beautiful. What a beautiful reading. I mean, engagement ring and wedding says it. Okay, beautiful. Now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. Angels and spirit guides, anything specific? Okay, let's take this. We have thief. See, this is what it is trying to remind you. Do not trust anybody. There is somebody who is not showing their true colors. That's the reason I said repeat that word which I have just said few minutes back. So how should I sum up this month? This is your month. Everything seems to be going good for you, but again, universe is trying to remind you, be on your toes, be on your guard. Okay, because there is someone like a lie, cheat, steal energy seems to be hovering you. Okay, maybe you might not realize it. It could be an unexpected one, but yes, there is someone. Okay, finances going good, emotionally you will be happy. Save on your finances, heal your inner child, increase water intake, be in a receptive mode. Everything seems to be coming in a picture perfect sign. The wedding bells are ringing in because even your love energies are saying that the person who has cheated you, bury them, just let go, because there is a beautiful person who wants to date you, who will confess they have feelings for you, they want to escalate high, but I think you need to love yourself. Okay, that's where your vibrations will match, and universe is reminding you again and again, there is somebody you should not be trusting. So start chanting the word truth whenever you feel you have a doubt. Universe will show you the true colors. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.